Welcome to Powerlit System. Yes, I'm going to give a preview on this powerful internet marketing system. Uh, Now I'm going to show you what the features is and how you get paid as an affiliate marketing the product. Okay, this system, the purpose of having the system is for you to become an internet marketer the easy way. Start learning how to use the tools and how to promote online. The vision statement is for you to be an expert in online marketing and making money using handphone and computers from anywhere in the world. This is what people are looking for. You will have time and financial freedom soon. You must start learning today, otherwise you'll be out of business soon. Either you learn today or you will keep on doing the same way, the same conventional way over and over again uh, until you retire from business. So the goal and objective of Powlit system is to train you to be a profitable internet marketer, making money from the internet, and to train all network workers to get leads online. How to get prospect using the power of internet. So we are going to help you to change from the old school way of doing MLM to the new school way. Yes, personal approach is the best, but some of you are too shy to talk to your friends and families about your business. So let the power of internet help you to do this. You have a lot of leads coming to your email. So in today's situation, lots of people want to market their business online, but they don't know how to go about it. What is the system they need to use? Where to get it? And from whom to learn? Even if they can buy from the internet, but they need somebody to teach them, especially the newbies. They need somebody to guide them. Otherwise, you keep on buying program after program, you will not understand. So how do you get here? Yes, why you are here now? Because you are looking to learn internet marketing. Yes, you are now at the right place at the right time. I'll try my best to make it as easy as possible so that everybody can understand it. So there are the available options in the Powerlit system is first you subscribe to Powerlit system. Yeah, you are given a 7 days free trial. Totally free. But you need just to enter your debit card or credit card to filter out between the serious and the non-serious people. Serious people will definitely put in their card, but if you don't, after within the 7 days, if you find that the system is not for you, you can always cancel it. Zero charges. So it's only $53.97 per month. Okay, about RM 180 ringgit a month. So recommendation, start. I want to recommend you. You start learning now, but earn as you learn. How? Start promoting. Where? Advertise on the social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and so on. But there are a lot of ways to advertise online. All you need to do is start learning. Okay. The Powerlit system. What is a Powerlit system? What is the Powerlit system? It's actually a marketing platform. They provide you the internet tools. Everything is all in the system. You don't need to buy any extra tools. They also provide you with the training, how to use the tools and how to start promoting your business online. There are three free training areas. Once you subscribe to Powerlit system, they teach you a lot of things. Even how to set up a proper Facebook profile page, Facebook fan page, how to market through Twitter, LinkedIn. These are all of free training. A very simple training, 5 to 10 minutes video. You will understand. Definitely you will understand when you go to the training area. So the tools that are included inside the system is the custom lead capture pages, the custom sales pages. Custom means you can customize according to your needs and requirement. Even though the system have already supply you with the ready-made lead capture pages and sales pages, but you have the option to modify it to do according to your liking. This is something very special about Powerlead system. And they also provide a full autoresponder, that is the email. Is an email follow-up. This is very important for you to close sales once you get the leads. And also they provide a powerful contact manager. Anybody who visited your lead capture page and fill up their particulars, all the particulars will be stored in the contact manager. This is among the most important things that you need to understand in Powerlead system. They house all your contacts inside there. You can do a lot of things with your contact. You can send broadcast email, you can send personal email, you can give a reminder to them, you can send postcard to them. A lot of features inside here. So, and one more, why I highlight this, the sharing features. Yeah, not everybody knows about how to do a simple lead capture page, a simple sales page when they get started. But because of the sharing features, yes, I can share my sales funnel to all the members in my team. In Powerlead system, once you join, please request my sharing code. You just insert my sharing code. All the sales funnels are ready made for you. Everything is coded to you. You can start to learn slowly how to do the lead capture page, sales page, autoresponder there. So the moment you get started, you are ready to market anything that you want. So the system only costs you $30 per month. It's very, very cheap. For you to own an autoresponder alone, it will cost you around $30 a month. So with this, all these features that Powerlead system provide, that means this Powerlead system is the cheapest online marketing system in the market at the moment. So they also provide an affiliate program. While using the system, while learning from the system, you can also get the knowledge. You get the tools, you have the knowledge learning from the training, and you promote the system again. That means you can promote two things at one time. While promote, you can why you subscribe to Powerlead system, because you want to enhance your existing business, your especially your MLM business. Yeah, you can use the tools to promote your MLM business. And if you don't have any business at the moment, you can use Powerlead system as a business by itself. You start promoting the system. They are paying you a good commission for their affiliate. So to become an affiliate, you have to pay $23.97 a month. You have an option whether you just want to subscribe to the system alone, or you want to become an affiliate where you recommend to other people, you get paid. So the affiliate commission, they pay based on 100% commission structure. Is a very high and commission structure, because this is a digital product. Okay, so the total for you to own this system is $53.97 a month. Yes, but if you refer one or two person to use the system, you can use the system for free for life. You can own the system. Advantages of Powerlead system, you can see here, is newer and less saturated. less expensive front end offer than most program. Yes, it's very cheap here, and the system give you a 7 days free trial to make it easy for you to sell. So just ask them with no commitment. Ask your friend or whoever visited your website, go for their 7 days free trial. Network marketers typically see the benefit of this system. They will definitely love this system because this will help them to get more prospect to look at their business, and they will have more sales in their team. So the front end offer and marketing platform all in one. This is what Powerlead system is all about. And the sharing features is a big draw for network marketers. This is a very strong feature. I have never come across during my three plus years in internet marketing. I've never come across a system that provide a sharing feature. This is so powerful in Powerlead system, and the system is very duplicatable. Okay, it's a complete marketing system that I can offer to my team. All they need is just to subscribe to the system, get my sharing code. They are ready to start marketing. Okay, so that's all at the moment. This is the sharing about the features and benefit of Powerlead system. Before I end up, I will go to my next video about the commission structure. But before that, I will end up uh, by just repeating again the strong features. Powerlead system is an all-in-one online marketing platform where they provide you with the tools and the training for you to market your business online. You can market any business online, but especially it's very good for network marketing. So on top of that, you can also promote Powerlead system as a business by itself, where you get paid a commission as an affiliate. So this is a very powerful tool. So I hope my explanation is clear. So welcome to Powerlead system. Thank you.